Welcome to this new video. We are going to see how to set up the rotate action together. So the idea behind the rotate action is that either at the start of your experience or after validating a condition, you can rotate an interactive object based on one of the three axes X, Y, and or Z. For this example, we are going to simulate the opening of a metal box. The idea is that we have a metal box as an interactive object, and there are kind of several visual parts that makes this metal box. And so the top lid is actually a separated visual object, let's say. And so what we are going to do is we are going to rotate the lid by 90 degrees on the y-axis to kind of mimic the opening of the box. So let's jump into it. So we are going to check the hierarchy and we are going to look for the metal box interactive object, which is here. I'm going to click on it and open the little arrow. And then I'm going to click on interaction and open again the little arrow. And I'm going to select the point and click condition. So if you check the inspector on the right, you can see that there is already the condition set up, which is basically when we point with our VR controller and we press a trigger, the condition will become valid and the target object is the metal box. So the condition is already there. We have to create the action. So I'm going to click on add action and I'm going to look for rotate, which is here. I'm going to select the rotate action. And so here we have a couple of parameters. So we are not going to put any delay in that case. We have to choose the object that we are going to rotate. So as I was saying, we are going to pick the lid, the cover of this metal box. To find it, we have the metal box. Interactive object. I'm going to click on visual and open the little arrow. Then again on metal box and open the arrow. And here we have the different parts. So if I click, for example, on the side low, it's a part of the metal box. And what I want to select is the up low, which is basically the cover. You can see. So now that I know what I need to drag and drop to finish my action, I'm going to click again on the point and click condition that we opened earlier. I'm going to scroll again a bit. And here I'm going to drag this up low object and I'm going to drop it there. So now I just need to add 90 degrees for the rotation angle for the Y. I'm going to put one time and that's it. Normally now our action should work. So we are going to go into VR to see if that works. Okay, so now we are back in VR. We can see that there is the metal box right over there. So I'm going to move towards it. And I'm going to use my controller to point and click to the box to see if the cover rotates 90 degrees. So let's go. Up. I'm going to get close enough. I'm going to click. And did you see? The cover just opened 90 degrees on the y-axis. So congratulations, you just made the rotate action work. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.